Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect deviled eggs. First, let's get those eggs ready. You'll want to start with 6 to 8 large eggs. Place them in a single layer in a saucepan and cover them with cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately turn off the heat. Cover the pan and let the eggs sit for exactly 10 minutes. This method helps ensure easy peeling and perfectly cooked yolks. Once your eggs are cooled, it's time to peel them carefully. Then, slice each egg in half lengthwise. Gently scoop out the vibrant yellow yolks and place them into a small mixing bowl. The goal here is to get them out cleanly, leaving the whites intact. Now, take a fork and mash those yolks thoroughly until they are completely smooth. This creates the perfect creamy base for our delicious filling. Now for the magic. To your mashed yolks, add 2 generous tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise. This is key for that classic deviled egg texture. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of tangy Dijon mustard. It adds a wonderful depth of flavor. Finally, season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything together until it's perfectly combined and smooth. With your delicious filling ready, it's time to assemble. You can either spoon the creamy yolk mixture back into the hollowed-out egg white halves, or for a fancier look, pipe it in using a pastry bag. Once filled, garnish each deviled egg with a light sprinkle of paprika for a pop of color and a hint of flavor. Chill them for at least 30 minutes before serving for the best taste and texture. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.